infectious as Matt brings the rock and roll vibe. With a passion for fun, he's always on the go. So wake up and join the party, don't let the morning pass you by. Good morning, Haas, where the good times flow. Good morning, Haas, where the good times flow.
Good morning. Hi, everyone. I'm Matt Haas. I hope you enjoyed the extended, super crazy version of the theme song that has been completely over-edited. And you can make a video like that too if you have 800 episodes that have a whole bunch of overlays and you vomit all of your assets into a 140-second video. That's all it takes, folks. That's all it takes. I've got some cool things to talk about today. Buckle up. It's going to be crazy. One crazy Dane is here. Speaking of crazy, Tony Iverson's coming at us from California. Whit Profit, listening to hockey. Good morning, good morning.
Trending in sports.
The best to you each morning. And my producer, John Venturini, says, self-aware, alive, local, late-breaking. That plus an update on art, traffic, and weather. Also, your questions and comments. Today is Tuesday, October 8th. Good morning, Haas. Good morning to you. The crafty visage is here. Love me some heart hands emojis, and I love purple hearts in the channel name. Hello hyphen everyone, says Jaden. Hello hyphen Jaden. Britta Aller's back. Desert Bum Woodworking, welcome back to the channel, my friend. That's Mr. Chuck. Wave hi to Chuck. He's a woodworking guru. Learned a lot from that man. I also learned a lot from my web development expert, who got on a Zoom call with me over the weekend and pushed some buttons, and bada boom, bada bing, server popped out. I talked about that on a previous show. The server is up and running. It took quite an extended call with the domain registrar because I had to do some A records and C name records and asterisk records and at symbol records and things I don't understand, but we finally got it all smoothed out, and now I have a duplicate server environment on AWS. Are you familiar with AWS? This is Amazon's largest income stream. Can you believe that? Amazon, you know, the online marketplace, all that money they're bringing in from being the middleman between merchant and you, that is less of a line item than their AWS. That stands for Amazon Web Services. It's cloud computing. They spin up servers, and you can make them do all kinds of awesome magic on the interwebs. And we did. We duplicated the EC2, that's Elastic Cloud Compute. That's the web server, the Apache Linux web server. We duplicated the database, RDS, relational database, RDS. And the Apache has an EBS, an Elastic Block Store, I think is what it's called. I don't understand. But we got it all figured out. And Trading is here. He's a smart guy, knows about moving money around the interwebs. Welcome back. And now the question for you is, I need the development server. I basically duplicated what was there. So my future Protégé can start taking over the web development duties, because I built this thing in 2011 and it cannot be replaced because my code is performing all business functions that are needed at essentially no cost. Well, what do they call that in business? You've depreciated that asset, so it's not on the books anymore. Anyway, and I don't want to do it anymore because I'm getting old. I want it behind me, but I can't let it go because it's mission critical and hundreds of people use it. And so I'm going to train someone else to do what I do, and we need a safe environment for them to break things. The question for you, the Awesome Fun Things audience, is how should I bastardize the logo? Because I don't want identical. I want something visually different, and this logo appears on practically every screen. So what can I do to the logo to make it different? I have some ideas. Start thinking about that. Put it in the comments if you have an idea. Oh, no, don't freak out. I have to push the 9 buttons of hell to get my GoPro working. Sorry about that. I also lost 2 subscribers. If you're not subscribed, help a brother out. Trying to pump those numbers up. Trying. I have an art showcase for you. One more thing needs done to this art to make it perfect. But it's essentially done. Look at this masterpiece. Bluenicorns of Chaos crest logo. It is 3-dimensional. This banner is the highest piece. Then comes the horse and outline of the shield, and then underneath is the base of the shield. I've got the sparkles on there, glitter. This is spray paint on wood. This background color is spray paint. This is Sharpie marker, and that darker blue is spray paint. This is vinyl lettering, vinyl outline, and I have to make the eye red because it is a Bluenicorn of Chaos. So this will count for our assignment in Creator Camp, the conference I'm going to, where they broke all the attendees into 5 teams, and we had to create something printed, is what they said, but physical stuff I think works. Help a brother out. There we go. Take that. Hugh Demand says, I thought you reduced those 9 buttons from hell down to 1. I wish. Ooh, that's cool. Kewl, Matt, with the unicorn. Thank you. That unicorn is awesome, Matt. Thank you. We tried to take, what could be considered a very feminine type item and put some masculine elements on it. That's why we have the red eyeball, soon to be red eyeball. And it's not like a cartoony, like a soft cartoony. Anyway, so we try and make it the way we want it as a team. At this point, one would think the Bluenicorn was a minor league hockey team. All this marketing, I know, right? Cool. I'm glad you like my art. I'm really having fun with it. Dark mode logo, ha. Yes. Well, one of my attempts was to just do an invert in Photoshop. So red becomes green, just like white becomes black and stuff like that. Sort of like, other things like upside down. So actually, well, let's run with this, shall we? Let me push some buttons here. What do you think I should do? Invert the colors, add robots, or add Lord of the Rings elements to the logo? Again, this isn't going to be seen by the public, only in-house staff. So I'm thinking a Malrog, the big fire monster, darkness and fire monster. So I actually have 2 websites, so I get to bastardize it twice. There's actually 2 sites on one server. And anyway, so I was thinking maybe that and the Eye of Sauron on the other one. 1, 2, or 3 invert colors. Okay, that's a safe choice. I could dig that. Mr. Venturini, early in the morning for him on the West Coast. Bonus points for the Necorn hockey jersey, caps, t-shirt, and of course, the very new Necorn coffee blend. Ooh, I like that. That's a money item right there. Oh.
Ooh, yeah. Ooh,
I'm dropping Mario sounds, folks. Get your Marios in. Yesterday was a big Mario entry day. And Chuck, I don't know if you're following along here, but when you hear a Mario sound, type the word Mario in the chat. Just Mario. Just type that in the chat. Or if you're a paid member on Awesome Fun Things, you can put the Mario emoji. That also counts. And you'll be eligible to win a free giveaway of $2. Free to enter. Rules are in the description. Not a lottery. Yeah, here they come. Good. Chuck, you're in the running. And if you show up every day, Monday through Friday when I stream and do the same thing, you'll get 5 entries. More chances. I know it's not a lot of money. Hopefully it's just a fun bragging rights type of thing with actual real USD behind it. Not much. I'm not made of money. Wheel of Awesome. Yay. Today is World Octopus Day. Happy World Octopus Day. Happy World Octopus Day. Oh my goodness. An octopus is a very, very strange creature. Some would almost say it doesn't feel terrestrial. They are wicked smart, and their biology is unlike any other creature on this planet. They seem very out of place on this planet. That's all I'm saying. Octopus is awesome. I did see at the beach, there's this one house, and the mailbox is held up instead of like an L bracket, like a 45-degree L bracket. It's an octopus. It's this cool octopus just holding up the I was like, that's a cool, like if I ever need like shelf brackets or anything like 45 degrees to hold something up, I'm going to make it that pattern of the octopus that I saw. I think they're cool. I don't know what it is. I do. Yes. You know who else is cool? Awesome Fun Havers, level 2 members. Get verbal shout outs. Sammy Superstar and Klondike. Check them out on the YouTubes. They're members here. Also, level 3 members get verbal shout outs. The Venture Forward and Rich Vibes. But not only verbal, they get their name in gold. Thumbs up for the perfect delivery of the level 3 Fun Havers screen. I've perfected that. I also added some more stuff here. I have falling thumbs on this screen, reminding you to like. And on the coffee screen, so when I take a drink of coffee out of a mug someone gave me for free, sent to this P.O. box, there's falling coffee beans behind this screen. Feel free to send me anything to this P.O. box. Just send me something. Like, I don't even care what it is. Just put a letter in the mail and put something in the letter and surprise me. I'll put it on screen. Do you have something to shout out? Write what you want me to say on the show in a piece of mail and send it to this P.O. box, and I will read your letter, presuming it's short and appropriate for the show. That's my promise to you. Why am I asking you to do this? Because I pay $160 a year for this damn P.O. box. Help me justify it. We take coffee. Yes. Yes, we do. Oh, my goodness. The mo you know. Random mail pieces welcomed. Okay, let's check in on our poll here. Add robots, they say. Okay. Invert colors. Let me show you what I actually got. I got going on here. So like this is the normal logo. Okay. All right. You know, that's what it is. So that's what I had to work with. This is what I came up with. This is the development server. So I have the word development and robots. There's a similar one here. This one. This is the second site. This logo is a little different. All right, that's the real logo, and this is how I bastardized that other one. Now, if you'll look closely, let me get both of these on screen. This is why I'm obsessed with. I mean, I think I need help. I think I need professional help. So notice the top one has a serif typeface that says development to match the serif maple press. And this one has sans serif development word that's also italicized. Would anyone even notice or care about those details? But that's what you get when you hire me. You get this level of neuroses, I suppose. Help me think of a word for that. Self-addressed stamped envelope. Justify my mail costs. Yes. Help me not be depressed about my past business decisions. Help me feel a little bit better. Tomorrow's poll question: do we need help? Question mark. No. That's what half of my brain says. Ooh, yeah. That's what the other half says. Yeah. I don't know. Let's go to camera 3. My favorite camera angle, and I'm hardly using it on the show. Bummer, man. Bummer. Do give me a subscribe. Help me. If you have a way to subscribe and you haven't subscribed, please do that. Ask a friend to subscribe. I've also noticed that my episode numbers and my subscriber count have flipped. I've always had fewer subscribers than I've had episode numbers. This is episode 790, and I have 800 subscribers. So I just crossed the Rubicon. Will I be able to keep that trend going? Who knows? But I appreciate you watching along. All right, I'm leaving it here. I love you all. Take care, everyone. I'll be back tomorrow with more shenanigans, more creative stuff. One more comment. It takes a minor arm twisting to turn 14 cycle bar classes into 15. Wheeling and dealing over there. And yet that just happens. Bicycle. Nice. I think John's been on so many cycle bars, his legs are constantly going to do this. Like, even if he's sitting down, he's probably... Be safe, my friend. All right, gotta go. Love you all. Bye.